Verifying your bank account on EveryDollar is an essential step to manage your budget effectively. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your EveryDollar account. Start by opening the EveryDollar app or website and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the menu or profile section. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select bank account verification. In account settings, find the section for bank account management. Look for an option that says verify bank account or similar and select it. Step 4. Enter your bank details. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm verification. After entering your bank details, follow the prompts to confirm the verification process. This may include receiving a verification code via email or text. Enter the code as instructed to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully verified on EveryDollar. This will allow you to manage your finances more effectively.